Hemsky. Oh, and here come the Oilers. Here's Cole. He scores! The home crowd excited here to see their team take a 1-0 lead in the second period.
Terrific use of the flip pass there, Randy. That's a great way to get the puck up and over the defenders and get it to your scorer.
Well, he flipped it over to his man on target, and the shooter did the rest.
I'll tell you, Randy, he couldn't have flipped it any better if he was in the kitchen making pancakes.
Illuminating, as always, my friend. The puck now goes center. Sedin. And Vancouver brings it back in. It's a goal! He has been red hot tonight. You had to figure it was only a matter of time.
I don't think the defense did enough here, partner. You can see he was just outmatched in this case.
The offense just seemed overwhelming on that play. They weren't backing down for what was a pretty good defensive effort.
Not at all, Randy. They knew what they wanted, and they got it. Nobody was getting in their way on that one. No problem. He got it with the blocker.
It's passed to the point, and here's Vaneuf. Out in front. Goal! And they get a 2-goal lead here in the first period. This game is starting out to be a fast-paced one.
You could make the argument that the goalie was screened by his own defenders, but I don't know in this case, Randy.
Yeah, partner, it seems like he simply lost track of where the puck was.
Either that, or he was admiring the pretty colors of all the uniforms. Hey, man, pay attention.
Foot. Here's Scott Hannon. Here's Smith. Here's Colorado skating quickly. Goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Look at this goal on the replay, Randy. You can see the goalie getting into the butterfly position.
That's been known to stop a lot of shots, but not on this attack, Drew.
That was just a total collapse on the part of the D.
Now Horkoff, and what a playmaker he is. Across the blue line. He scores!
Here's a guy that really throws the D. Amazing job of executing in the face of some not-so-bad defense.
Here's a situation where the D-man brought his A game, and I think played him pretty well.
But that's not always good enough in the NHL, as we all know.